Can you tell me why the hair is coming through the legs on the inside? It means that I've wasted my money. Hey! Oh no! Hey! Hey, come here! Would I buy this from this vendor again? Probably. Hello my darling angels, Paulina here, and I'm back with another video. We don't know why I'm kneeling, but I am in my bathroom. I'm doing these. I'm in my bathroom at the moment, and basically this is my first time dyeing a wig. I'll tell you a little bit about the wig. This is the wig. It's really pretty. I got it from Yolissa's Hair. Hopefully you can hear me. If not, I'll do a voiceover. But I got it from Yolissa's Hair. To be honest, really good customer service, really fast delivery. I think I ordered it and it came within like literally, minus the weekend, 4 days perhaps. And really fast delivery. It came with the hair. It came with this bag. It came with this elastic, and then it came with some lashes. So yeah, pretty standard. The hair is 100% human hair. From what I can see, this is it. So we can see that's the inside of it, pretty standard. Looks like they've attempted to bleach the knots themselves. And it also looks like they've also done a little bit of what is it? They also have a little bit of like plucking of the edges. So anyway, again, any of my brothers out there that don't know that women and men all over the world wear wigs, get into it, because I'm not doing this today. Cat's out the bag. Everyone wears wigs, as do I. So yeah, this is like their number 27 wig. I don't really like it. I'm pretty sure I'm red undertoned in my skin, so it would be better for me, I think, to have like more cooler tones. And this one I just don't think matches with my skin tone. I think it would have needed to be a little more cooler. Or maybe a little more brown, I'm not sure, but that's that. Or maybe like a transition, but I'm going to dye this. And I'm doing a color that I've never done before, so I'm really scared and excited. So I'm going to take you through that. For density, I ordered 200% density, and I ordered this in 20 inches. And for pricing, it was a little bit more on the pricey side. It was about $273 Australian. I'll probably have to give you a 3-month review to tell you if I like it or not. So this is it. Oh, I got it in. Hey, my dear.
Oh, you're filming.
I'm filming.
Okay, well, you're looking to yourself.
So you ate that?
I thought you were looking to yourself and
That was my husband, and once that I was talking to myself, which technically I am, but anyway. What was I saying? Yeah, the cap size is medium, for anyone that needs to know. I've got a big head, sorry. So I actually planned on showing you what products I use properly with a breakdown, but honestly it didn't work, and there's no point you buying them. So here's what I did. So I'm halfway through what was supposed to be an easy situation. Give me some light. I can't actually afford to get this wrong because it means that I've wasted my money. A scale of 1 to 10. Am I panicking? I don't really panic a lot, to be honest with you, but definitely not confident. Going to do the only thing that is good to do in these type of situations, and I'm going to go have something to eat. Sometimes things I can't control, so we'll come back. I'm going to give it half an hour and I'll come back and I'll see what's going on, but I'm going to go eat, so I'll catch you in a bit. Deuces. Alright guys, so it's been, and I think it's been like over an hour now, and the hair has started to change colors. I'm so excited. I'll show you what it looks like. So the hair has completely changed to the color that I wanted. Yay! I'm so happy.
3 hours later.
It's currently, my phone's cracked, 11:56 p.m. Don't mind my cornrow, my housemate. She might just sit down for me. I thought I would prepare for my hair to be ready. Not the case. The hair didn't turn out. True story. I'll show you what it looks like. It looks alright from here. Half of it is orange. Half of it is pretty. I really did think the color was going to work out, but I'm not happy. Nor can I wear this, so I've had to think fast. I literally just, I'm the type of person that doesn't give up. I will not give up. I will go until there's no more to go. So although the color probably picks up nicely on here, I don't know why it picks up so nicely on there because it's red. This is blonde. This is orange. Like for real, some parts are copper, some parts of the colour, some parts aren't. I've gone to my local Coles and I've picked up 2 different colours here. One is like a mahogany red and one is like a light brown. I'm going to mix them together and we're going to see what happens. I'm just going to try it. At this stage we're just going to see what happens. This is real. This is real. Okay guys, this is a fail 101, but it's okay, we're going to recover, we're going to finesse it. Whatever brand I bought before, don't ever buy that. I'll see you guys in 15 minutes. Don't lose heart. Okay guys, I'm currently on my toilet. So it's like 2 a.m. in the morning, and just to give you an update on the hair, this is the current hair situation. I went for an Auburn kind of copper color and I've ended up with red, great, like a maroon. Can I tell you, like, can you tell me why the lace, the hair is coming through the lace on the inside? Like, that is so unacceptable. Also, if you can see there, the lace is already broken. I obviously I wasn't rough with the hair because I'm already paranoid as it is. Some bits of the hair didn't absorb the dye. So far, to be honest with you, I'm not recommending this brand, but I'm gonna do all I can to finesse it and see what I can do. But yeah, there are parts when I literally tell you I've put so much product in it and it's just not sticking. I don't know what's going on with this hair, but some things are literally, this is unacceptable. I've never, can you please let me know if you've ever seen the hair come on the other side of the lace? Like, I've never ever seen that in my life. I'm a bit demoralized. This is real stuff, but I'm not giving up, so I'll let you know how I go. Guys, I'm tired. I'm so over this. This is like real. Like, I don't know how I can say this more. Like, I've literally watched so many YouTube videos and I'm really frustrated as to why this is not working for me. But I'm going to go to bed because it's like, yeah, like 3 a.m. in the morning. And I just want to finish it. And I'll pick it back up tomorrow. We'll start again. New day, new motive. This is where the hair is now. I'm literally hanging it. Going to bed. Good night, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. So here I'm just measuring an elastic band and I'm sewing that onto the lace front so that it can remain secure on my head. As I said, guys, I've never really done this properly before, so I just learned from watching other YouTubers. So in all honesty, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing it anyway. Yeah. This right here, guys, is my attempt at plucking the frontal. What you want to do is to make it less bulky at the front by thinning it out a little bit. Good luck. Taking my Got To Be glue styling gel and I'm putting it on the parameters of my head. I'm then going to put a wig cap on and I'm going to let it sit to dry. I've also sprayed my Got To Be glue holding spray, and then now that it's dry, I'm going to now cut it so that it covers my hair but also circulates the perimeters of my face. At this point here, guys, I don't know what happened, but I lost a whole lot of footage, so it's just going to cut to the point when I already have applied the wig. Hey! Oh no! Oh dear! I can't! I can't!
Which one?
This is not supposed to be cut, it's supposed to be long. Oh my gosh.
Do you have one of those little bobby pin thingies?
To do what?
To put the hair behind. Let me give you one of these other things.
My dear.
Oh my god.
I did that? Yeah, I cut hair that was supposed to be cut. Look.
Oh my god. Hold on. Hold on.
I told you I needed help.
Wait.
Yeah, you see? That's what I need.
Oh my god.
So what do I do? Can I finish?
This was supposed to be pinned?
Yes.
And then just from here. You're supposed to leave some for your edges now. No, it's okay. It's okay. It's took me that.
But can I thin this out to make it?
Yeah, it can blend into that one. Don't worry.
Yeah, we'll blend in.
Don't worry.
It's fine.
This is what I'm trying to tell you guys.
This is okay. Takes a village.
Yeah, this
No,
is what I
this is
need.
too much. This is too much. You gotta get some of this out. This is too much. You gotta go in.
But I need to cut this lace here. I need to cut.
Which one?
And cut some of the lace. Don't cut from the hair. Cut from the lace.
Right?
Cut from the lace. Don't cut from your hair.
This will be the realest YouTube how to make a wig in YouTube
I'm going to
history.
add the bloopers.
I'm going to add everything. I'm going to add everything.
Hold on.
This is real how you make a wig.
Do you want to do it? No.
Me, I'll do it.
So we need to
Cut from the back.
Yes.
Careful though.
this part, but please leave this.
Like that?
Yeah. Careful. Oh my gosh. No, don't go all the way. Don't go all the way.
I'll cut from this side.
Yeah, from my
I'll
ear.
measure from here.
Don't cut her ear though.
No.
What is wrong with
That's me.
She's freaking dramatic. My god.
I know. She looks like my mother.
That was my ear. Pain is pain.
No pain, no gain.
So we managed to get through that hurdle, thank God. And now I'm just cutting the front of my hair so that I can create some baby hairs. Alright guys, it is now day 3 of this foolery. But this is how the wig turned out. I'm really happy with the color. This is how I've laid it. I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna show you the real deal. This is the first time that I've done these. I like it. The hair took a lot of effort. I'm not gonna lie, like it really, and yes, day 3, new outfit. It took a lot of effort. It didn't take color very well. Would I buy this from this vendor again? Probably not. I'll try another one. Am I happy with the way it turned out? Yes, but the bottom hair in comparison to the frontal hair, the bottom hair took the color better than the frontal hair. I'm not sure if this is a thing, but that's the truth. Again, I don't know why the hair went under the lace. I don't know how that happened. Am I happy with the finished result? Yeah, I'm happy. Do I love the color? Yes. Would I recommend Yolissa Hair? Probably not from this experience, but maybe I'll try it again in the future. But we got there-ish, but I'm happy with my first result. This is it. If you guys like this video and you want to see more videos of me taking hopefully less than 3 days to make a wig, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace. Mwah.